IM injections are common in hospitals and require proper medical knowledge and training. Today, we will learn the basic concept of intramuscular injections and their importance in healthcare.
IM injection means delivering medicine into muscle tissue for specific medical purposes.
Some medicines are designed to work through muscle absorption under professional medical guidance. Proper training helps healthcare professionals provide safe and responsible patient care.
Understanding human anatomy is an important foundation for safe medical practice.
Healthcare professionals study different muscle areas during their medical training. Clear communication helps patients feel comfortable and builds trust with healthcare providers. Healthcare professionals use proper medical equipment and follow safety standards during every procedure.
Infection prevention is one of the most important steps in maintaining patient safety.
Safety checks help healthcare workers provide better and more responsible patient care. A clean and organized environment supports safe and effective healthcare practices. Simulation training allows healthcare students to learn skills in a safe educational environment. Muscle tissue can play an important role in how certain medicines are delivered in healthcare. Accurate documentation helps healthcare teams maintain quality and organized patient care. Healthcare professionals follow medical guidelines to provide safe and responsible care. Patient comfort and clear communication are important parts of quality healthcare. Many people have questions about injections, and proper education helps remove confusion. Medical education gives future healthcare professionals the knowledge they need to care for patients. Nurses play a vital role in patient care, safety, and healthcare support. Healthcare professionals continue learning to improve their knowledge and provide better patient care. Safe medical practice depends on knowledge, proper training, and professional responsibility.